Question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So here highway, tower. A man standing at the top of the tower. So a man is observing from the top of the tower. A, B. So A, B is a tower. The observer is here. He is observing from the top of the tower. A car at an angle of depression. The observer, a man standing at the top of the tower, observes a car at an angle of depression 30 degrees. So here I am taking car position. C is car. C is car. The observer observing this car. The angle of depression is 30 degrees. So first you draw one horizontal line. B. So the angle of depression is 30 degrees. So these two are parallel and this one is transversal. This elevation is also 30 degrees. The angle of elevation is always equals to angle of depression. Next, the car is approaching the foot of the car. The car is moving in this direction. The car is approaching to tower with a uniform speed. After 6 seconds, 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. After 6 seconds, car moved from here to here. I am taking this one is the T portion. So after 6 seconds, the observer observed the car. The angle of depression is 60 degrees. So this angle is 60. This one is also 60 degrees. So this is our diagram. Height of the tower, that one I am taking. H meters, CD length and DB length. These two are not there. So one clue is given, time is given. First you find length of CD length. Here the car is uniform speed I am taking. Let the speed of the car is equals to, I am taking x meters per second. Let the speed of the car is equals to x meters per second. Next time here, that is 6 seconds. So the distance traveled by car in 6 seconds, that is length of CD is equals to distance formula speed into time, that is 6x meters. So here the distance, the length is 6x meters. So in 6 seconds time the car traveled 6x meters. Now length of BD. Same speed is equals to x meters per second. Time, that is our question. We need to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So time is our question. I am taking that is t seconds. So in t seconds car reaches the foot of the tower. So I am taking that is t seconds. Here also find distance BD is equals to x into t meters. So here this one is xt meters, the length of dB. So here in this diagram we can see the two right angles. One is ABD, second right angle is ABC. So first to consider first right angle in triangle ABD. In ABD triangle, the angle is 60 degrees. This tower is opposite, this length is adjacent. So the ratio between opposite and adjacent is tan. Consider tan 60. Tan 60 is equals to AB by BD. AB by BD. So the value of tan 60 is √3. So √3 is equals to AB is H, BD is equals to XT. So two right angles having one common length, that is AB. Just to make H subjective, x3 transpose to left side, we will get root 3 xt. This is our clue number 1, equation number 1. Next, consider another right angle triangle, that is ABC. So in triangle ABC, apply tan 30 degrees opposite AB by adjacent is BC. Value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to AB is H, BC is 6x plus xt. 6x plus xt. 6x plus xt transpose to left, we will get H is equals to 6x plus xt by root 3. This is our clue number 2, second equation. From 1 and 2, here just observe, left hand side is equal, h equals to, equate right parts. We will get like this, root 3 xt, root 3 into xt is equals to 6x plus xt by root 3. Root 3 transpose to left, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3xt is equals to 6x plus xt. Now xt transpose to left side, 3xt minus xt is equals to 6x. 3xt minus xt is 2xt is equals to 6x. X get cancelled. 2t is equals to 6. T is equals to 6 by 2. That is equals to t is equals to 3 seconds. So card, it takes 3 seconds time to reach the foot of the tower. So it takes 3 seconds time. So the final answer is 3 seconds.